History of vegan diet. The term vegetarian had been used since the 1830s. Still, it was not until 1944 when the word vegan was coined by Donald Watson. Donald Watson coined the word vegan and in 1944, founded the Vegan Society. The start of no meat, no dairy lifestyle now followed by millions worldwide. The Vegan Society, which advocated a complete plant-based diet, excluding meat, fish, eggs, milk, dairy products and honey. People become vegan for many reasons, including ethical care for animal and the natural environment, as well as circumstances related to health, spirituality and religion as far as ethical principles are concerned. The first Indian Vegan Society joined IVU in 1957. We don't know how long it lasted, but the new society is also a prominent member. In 21st century, most veg organizations around the world now promote veganism as the ideal, regardless of whether they are called vegetarian or vegan. By 2009, more books had vegan in the title than vegetarian. 2009 10th surveys in the USA showed that 66% of vegetarians exclude egg/dairy. In 1931, Gandhi, now world famous for his non-violent resistance in India, went to London to meet the government, and while he was there agreed to give a talk for the London Vegetarian Society, with the title of The Moral Basis of Vegetarianism. The photo on the right is Gandhi at that meeting, next to his old friend Henry Salt, who had founded the Humanitarian League and written 40 books to promote his ethical ideals. IVU now has 27 full voting member organizations with the word vegan in their title, and many more that are vegan in all but name, and another 112 called vegan in our public database. World Vegan Day is celebrated on November 1st each year in recognition of his invention. Vegetarians should obtain the nutrients that would normally be easy to get from animal foods from different sources. The stricter a plant-based vegetarian diet is, the more that specific nutrients must be found from other sources. Plant-based diets have the potential not only to improve human health but also to reduce the environmental impacts associated with high consumption of animal-sourced foods such as meat and dairy products. The production of plant foods, such as fruits and vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, produces lower greenhouse gas emissions than that of animal foods. Vegetarian diets have many potential health benefits. Research shows that vegetarians have a lower risk of death from cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer. This may be because vegetarian diets often have more fiber and lower saturated fat compared to diets with meat. This is possible because vegetarian diets have more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. The American Institute for Cancer Research, the American Heart Association, and the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute all recommend consuming a diet high in fruits and vegetables. According to a systematic review, vegan diets are typically associated with relatively low intakes of vitamins B2, B12, D, iodine, zinc, calcium and selenium. The WHO European Office for the Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Diseases, NCD office, in Moscow, Russian Federation, is currently carrying out activities in the area of plant-based diets to gather evidence to inform the development of policy guidance in this area. Some of our activities include a systematic review of the intake and adequacy of vegan diet, a commentary piece on ultra-processed plant-based foods, a multi-country study on the nutritional content of vegan burgers, a study of the nutritional content and environmental impacts associated with processed plant-based food products from online supermarkets. Let's see some popular personalities who follows the vegan diet. Jessica Chastain, Virat Kohli, Amir Khan, Jacqueline Fernandez. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for more interesting video.